Hello, my friends. This is Meena Gandhi. I have just completed this picture of a plant holder with a small plant of tulips, and I have done some shading to give it a kind of a three-dimensional effect. And I will be giving full instructions on how I worked on this one. So kindly follow step by step my video. Thanks for watching it and have a nice day. So this is how I go. I just draw a simple straight line, very light, not to put too much pressure on the pencil. You can use any HB pencil. This is a BIC pencil which is used usually by students. It's HB number 2 basically. So draw a straight line as much as I can. You can use a ruler if you like, but I prefer to just draw it by hand. And then oval shape here. Then the one at the end line will be going symmetrical to this line, so somewhat. So that's my planter. Okay. This line will be for soil. Now I just draw a simple plant. Any plant. Simple kind of leaves to draw. And then a flower. Tulip maybe. Yeah, I just erased and made it slightly bigger. So now to do the shading, I'm using the same BIC pencil, or if you want you can use an HB pencil. I just erase the line that went on the top of the leaf. Okay, now I'll start shading it here with very light hand. At this edge, go straight vertically. Very light, not to put too much pressure on it. Same way here. Come all the way down. There's very slight pressure I'm putting on the pencil, and that's why it's not very dark. So I'm leaving this part white in the middle, and then I just use my finger to start smudging it. Keep smudging and bring it a little bit on this side of the white side, just a little bit. Same with here. Smudge it really nice, put a lot of pressure on your finger so that those lines which I drew, they got like mixed with each other. Smudge it nicely. Okay, there. And then again with the light hand, I'll do slightly darker than before. Again, very light hand. Same way here. Smudge it again. Now third layer of shading. So this is darker than the middle one. Middle tone is lighter than this one, but it is darker than the next tone. And then this is darker than the central tone, which is absolutely white. So white, slightly dark, slightly darker, and then darkest. That's how it goes. Smudge again. Okay, now in the middle I'll just erase it just in case if it's being like sprayed over there. So I just erase just a line like this. Don't clean the other sides of the white, just a little bit in the middle. Okay, is the white. And then I will just do the outline now of leaves, and here outline of the upper edge of the plant holder, bottom of the plant holder, and the sides. Do sides carefully. I'm going to erase any extra dark color that might have come out here from this side as well. Now see this inner side of the pot, only this side. I start making it slightly shading like this. Do the outline of the leaf. Then shading the leaves a little bit, just a little bit. The tip of the lip looks nice when it's shaded. Do the outline a bit. Shading on the stem a little bit. I leave little part white just to let it look like as if it's light on it, kind of shiny. And then tulip shading, just a wee bit at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to do the soil darker. This was the line I drew for the soil. And then this container here which holds the plant, I'm just going to draw a line that goes symmetrical to this line above, like this, the one that is above top edge of the container. So this line runs symmetrical to it. So I draw a line which is slightly darker in the shaded area and then lighter in the light area. That's it. Do the edges sharp with a line with the sharp pencil. These pencils are really good. If you see, the tip is so thin, and that helps doing the fine lines. So that's about the lot. My friends, I hope you like and share this video with your friends. And thank you for watching my video. Appreciate that. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Bye for now.